I'm in the party section. They have squishies, jumbo jelly balloon, unicorns, there's a SpongeBob SquarePants pinata. There's an eyeball pinata. What's that doing up there? Or is it a spider? I don't know. Some unicorn balloons with a cup. Oh, there's some Minnie Mouse ears. They're only $5.60. It says Minnie Mouse unicorn. It's got a unicorn horn on it. There's a tutu. Little hat. Oh, there's a troll pinata. Draco, Dormans. Well, that's Harry Potter. Rainbow. Oh, yes. There's some big pinatas. There's Paw Patrol. There's a shark up there. Great big fish. That's a big one. Cupcake. Let's see. There's a Mickey Mouse bag. Super Mario. Mickey Mouse Happy Birthday banners. Lots of tablecloths that say Mickey and Minnie. There's Frozen tablecloth. Let's see. Frozen mini play packs. A hair extension. Look at that, frozen fingernails. There's some more Minnie Mouse ears, $5.97. There's frozen lip gloss. And what is that? A 4-pack of slap rulers. I don't know what that is. A frozen surprise accessory set. Okay, some frozen cups. There's Minnie Mouse plates and frozen plates. Napkins to match it. Bigger plates. Oh, look, these have the shape of the head. Here's a Mega Mix value pack of Mickey Mouse. Paw Patrol. There's LOL napkins, LOL surprise, and plates. Play pack minis. Fingernails that are LOL. LOL lip gloss. There's a Blue's Clues headband. Cocomelon. LOL surprise tablecloth and decoration kit. Little balls. LOL. Pretty cups. Glitter cups. I'm at Kroger, and they have balloons I haven't seen before. A palm tree is big. These are always so much fun. I hope it works. This is Laugh and Giggle Bob. Okay, then next to him is Laugh and Giggle Kevin. See if he works.
Good night. Oh la la. Oh, okay. Pinata. Oh, okay, okay.